Hey guys, welcome back to Good Eats with R&J. It's Ren here, and today I will be doing another mukbang, of course, and I will be trying something new. So as you can tell by the title, I will be eating Church's chicken. I've never tried it before, so this is going to be just a first impressions video. I know I said in the last video I'm going to have a conversation, and no, I decided I wanted to try something new, so first impressions it is, and it's really late. I'm really hungry, so I'm actually really excited to try this. But before we get into this video, don't forget to give us a huge like, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, hit that post notification bell, ding ding ding, and follow us on Instagram, Good Eats with R&J. And again, guys, it's just gonna be me for a little while. Jess should be back soon. I think she should be back real soon, actually. But yeah, so for now, it's just going to be me. And yes, I missed last week. But you know what? I couldn't post last week. So we're back and we're better. So let's see. So I ordered a 2-piece chicken combo. And they put 3 pieces in here. I think it's because I was waiting so long. I was waiting for like 20 minutes because they didn't have any spicy chicken left. So this is how it looks. Can y'all see that? So I ordered 2 legs, but I think they gave me a thigh as well. And I got the fries, which are, I was surprised, they're like crinkly fries. And I got a side of mash. This is literally just to taste because I'm not going to be able to eat all of this. So there's the mash. And I had to get the apple pie. Like anywhere I go, if there's an apple pie, I get it because I just like to see which one is the best. So for chicken places like fast food chicken restaurants, my go-to is Popeyes. So I'm going to be kind of comparing it to Popeyes. Here is the biscuit. I think they said it's honey glazed or something like that. I don't know. We shall see. Okay, let me throw the fries. Throw the fries here. Ooh. Guys, I'm actually really excited because, oh my gosh, I don't know. And correct me if I'm wrong. If you're from the GTA, like I was going to say that Church's isn't that popular. Correct me if I'm wrong. But for some reason, I've seen like 3 in my area open up. So I'm like, what's going on? And then I have some Fruitopia on the side. So I think I'm going to try the potato first. So it's like covered in gravy, kind of like the one at Popeyes. What are the chicken spots in GTA? I would say it's like Popeyes, KFC, Jollibee, but I wouldn't even count Jollibee because that's a Filipino fast food, but I guess it would still be. And then there's Mary Brown's and Church's. So I've only tried Jollibee, KFC, and Popeyes. And then now I'm trying Church's. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try the mashed potato. It's focusing on my face, like, seriously. Not the best. Very basic, but like, I mean, you can't really expect too much from fast food restaurants like this, like when it comes to like mashed potato and stuff. Like, you know, you can't be thinking you're going to be getting some garlic mash or anything like that. It's really basic. And it tastes like the mashed potato I would get at my daycare. It's okay. It's okay. Now I'm going to try this biscuit. So it's glazed with honey. So It's okay. It's okay. I got honey mustard on the side. But it's really like honey-y. Okay, let's try. Oh, I should have got ketchup. The fries are good. They're really basic. Like, almost like fries you can make at home. Nothing special, but I like them. They're crispy. What's you guys' favorite fast food chicken place? Is it Popeyes, Church's, Mary Brown? And also name some more down below that I haven't named. Especially if it's in the GTA, because we want to try. I'm just really hungry. Okay, let's try this. It's looking real crispy. So I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did, but this is the spicy. So anytime I go get like chicken from any place, I always ask for spicy. Seems crunchy. I was waiting for the spice to hit me. It's not that spicy. You can taste it, but definitely manageable. Okay. Not bad. I like it. I sure do. I would compare it to a Popeyes. Yeah, it's really crispy. I'm starting to taste the spice now. Flavor is pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Would it be my new go-to? I don't know. Because I love like Popeyes fries and stuff, so. So, to me, I probably have food all over my mouth. Popeyes sides are better. Their fries, their mashed potato, even their biscuit, I think I like a bit better. Their chicken, I don't know. I need to have it side by side to really make a decision. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see us compare all the fast food chicken spots in a video. This fries are good though. The only thing is, like, I don't know. With fast food places, I feel like they don't clean their chicken properly. So, like, I'm here looking at this chicken like I don't want to go any deeper. It's not me wasting it, guys. It's just, I don't know. But yeah, guys, let us know what kind of videos you want to see from us. And let us know what restaurants you want us to try next. It's really late, so this video It's gonna be extremely fast. Or quick. A real mukbang vibe is just eating, you know? I actually am really enjoying these fries. Sorry, guys. It's a real eating video. But you know when you wait so long to eat, and then you just get full? That's how I'm feeling right now. Whew. Plus, waiting so long for the food, sorry, really just all adds up. Oh my gosh, guys. This potato is such a waste. Maybe someone in my family will eat it. I don't know. Let me try the apple pie. It's the apple pie. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. Sorry. Any apple pie that has a shell like this, I know for a fact I'm gonna like. The only apple pie that I'm not a fan of, like, it's okay, but I don't order it ever, is a McDonald's apple pie. Because it's like, it has a different shell. I don't know. I'm just not a fan. I'm gonna have one more bite of this. And then I'm gonna go. Okay. Listen up. That was pretty good. I give Church's, I'm not even going to try the thigh because I don't like thighs from any fast food restaurant just because it's just so fatty and I really don't like fat. So I'm not even going to try that thigh, but based on the chicken leg and the fries, I give it a 7 out of 10. For fast food chicken, 7 out of 10, maybe 8. We'll see. I need to eat it once more and then I'll know for sure. But we definitely are going to do a comparison video with different chicken spots, so look out for that video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. To all the new subscribers, excuse me, welcome to our channel. Again, usually it's me and Jess, but Jess will be back in the upcoming videos. So for now, it's just me, but that's, sorry guys, only for a little while longer. And then she'll be back soon enough. And then it'll be Good Eats with R&J again. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for liking this video, subscribing, hitting that post notification bell, following us on Instagram, Good Eats with R&J. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave some comments, some suggestions down below of what foods you want to see us eat and what topics you want to see us talk about. I know there's a few comments saying do some story time, so I'm thinking about doing that for the next video. We shall see. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.